watched my videos and follow me on social media, you could probably tell that I use a lot of products by Anker, especially their smart power adapters and MagSafe chargers, but I never really got round to exploring their audio range. Hi, my name is Ryan and today we are going to be looking at the Anker Soundcore Life P3, which are a pleasantly surprising pair of earbuds with strong sound that matches its powerful noise cancellation, all for less than £80. Just before we get into this video, be sure to follow me on Instagram where I upload new content daily, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button as I'm trying to grow this channel to 1k. The unboxing experience of this product is quite the regular one, where we are faced with the charging case containing the earbuds, the charging cable and the relevant documentation, and also we are given replacement earbud tips that can be changed to accommodate the person's ear type to enhance the user's sound experience. Ultimately, what you get are true wireless earbuds that go big on sound and offer some nice extras like active noise cancellation and their ability to support high-res audio. I would say some of the features are better executed than others, but the core experience is solid overall. However, keep in mind that these do come at an affordable price of £69.99. I will leave a link in the description below if you want to check them out. Their design's a little unique. We see the Soundcore logo is nicely printed at the top and the shiny matte finish is elegant. Construction is sturdy with the all plastic frame capable of withstanding the daily abuse you'll put these buds through. They won't crack open if you drop them from a distance. IPX5 water resistant ensures protection against rain and sweat too, so you can work out using these headphones and it shouldn't be an issue. The pebble-shaped charging case comes at a perfect size for portability, and the case can be conveniently stored in denim pockets or any travel bag. Placing a Bluetooth button in the middle is a thoughtful gesture that comes in handy when you need to manually pair the buds. Connecting this device is super easy. The first thing you have to do is make sure that the earbuds are in the charging case, and then you just hold on to this button right here until the LEDs flash from left to right continuously. And then you just search for Bluetooth devices, and once you have found the Soundcore Life P3 device, you just connect to it. When putting them on, you can see that these earbuds rest pleasantly on the ears, though your ears might feel sore after about 2 to 3 hours of use, which is a longer stretch than what most other wireless earbuds give you. The fit is fine with the ear tips creating a tight seal around the ear for proper stabilization. Keep in mind that these earbuds do come in a range of different colors such as navy, white, sky blue and red, so you do have a few choices to pick from. In terms of audio quality, I would say the earbuds deliver that impressive audio quality with the right amount of bass and clarity of sound, therefore giving the user that great immersive experience. You can further enhance the audio quality by downloading the Soundcore app with its huge amount of EQ presets and sound modes. Activating bass up mode within the app will increase the bass automatically, but if you're feeling a little more ambitious, you can customize the entire EQ to your liking. In addition to high quality audio, the Soundcore Life P3 also gives you the option of active noise cancellation mode. In fact, you get 3 active noise cancellation modes. There are separate settings for public transport, outdoors and indoors. In practice, there's not much difference between the 3, and all 3 are only moderately effective. That said, call quality is very good. A set of 6 microphones isolate your voice from the background noise, so you're easier to hear. When it comes to its battery life, you are roughly looking at 7 hours from the earbuds and up to 35 hours with the charging case. According to Anker, a 15-minute charge can give you up to 3 hours of playback. Those numbers match many of the best true wireless earbuds that come at a much higher price. An hour of listening with active noise cancellation mode turned on doesn't drain the battery substantially, and you should find the buds long lasting enough to get you through a week's worth of listening. You also have the luxury of being able to quickly charge them for 15 minutes, which will get you about 3 hours of listening time. Keep in mind that this charging case does support wireless charging. Overall, I would recommend the Soundcore Life P3, especially if you are on a budget looking for a good quality pair of earbuds that deliver that great sound quality and cool features like in-app configuration and active noise cancellation. However, I'd like to have seen Anker incorporate wear detection. The Life P3 don't automatically pause when taken out of your ears, which is a feature that's becoming increasingly common on budget earbuds. Depending on your ear type, the fit can get loose over time, which will affect active noise cancellation mode. Also, the commands can be assigned to single and double taps on the upper section of the P3 stems. However, upon assigning those commands, I found that it sometimes wasn't very responsive. Overall, however, I would recommend the Soundcore Live P3, especially if you are on a low budget looking for a good quality pair of earbuds that deliver that great sound quality and cool features like in-app configurations. And if you can get a tight seal with these earbuds, you can get the most out of active noise cancellation. We have now come to the end of the video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments section below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future content. Until then, I'll hopefully catch you guys on the next one. Take care.